Picture this: astronomers gaze through their telescopes expecting to see Mercury, but something is different. Instead of the small, rocky planet, they see a blue and green world. It's the same size as Earth. It even has clouds and oceans. This incredible discovery changes everything. We are no longer alone. We have a twin planet right next door. The news sends shockwaves across the globe. People can't believe their eyes. Scientists are baffled. How could another Earth form so close to our own? Where did it come from? Is there life on this new world? This discovery is more than just exciting news. It's a profound moment for humanity. It makes us question everything we thought we knew about the universe. Are there other Earths out there? Are we alone in the vastness of space? The possibilities are endless. This twin Earth, which we'll call Earth 2, is a game changer. It's a scientific goldmine and a potential new home for humanity. But it also raises profound questions about our place in the cosmos. Let's explore the amazing implications of this incredible discovery. The existence of Earth 2 challenges our understanding of the universe. How could two planets so similar form in the same solar system? It seems impossible, yet there it is, shining in our telescopes. This discovery throws our old theories out the window. It forces us to rethink how planets are born. And that's just the beginning. What secrets does Earth 2 hold? Does it have continents and oceans like ours? Does it have a moon? Does it have life? These questions keep scientists awake at night. The discovery also has profound philosophical implications. For centuries, we've wondered if we are alone in the universe. Now we have a potential answer right next door. The thought of another Earth, so close and yet so unknown, sparks our imagination. It's a cosmic mirror reflecting back at us our hopes and dreams. It challenges us to explore, to understand, and to reach for the stars. Scientists are eager to study Earth 2. They want to know everything about it: its atmosphere, its geology, its history. They hope to learn how Earth 2 formed and if it could support life. This information could tell us more about our own planet. One of the biggest questions is whether Earth 2 has water. Water is essential for life as we know it. If Earth 2 has water, it could have life too. This would be one of the biggest discoveries in human history. But studying Earth 2 won't be easy. It's incredibly hot being so close to the sun. Our current spacecraft aren't designed for such extreme conditions. We'll need to develop new technologies to get there and study it up close. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. Earth 2 is a scientific treasure trove, holding clues to the formation of planets and the possibility of life beyond Earth. The most exciting question about Earth 2 is whether it has life. Imagine the possibilities. Perhaps it's home to strange and wonderful creatures unlike anything we've ever seen. Or maybe, just maybe, it has intelligent life. The discovery of any life on Earth 2 would be monumental. It would prove that we're not alone in the universe. It would also raise a host of new questions. How similar or different is their life to ours? Could we communicate with them? Of course, there's also the chance that Earth 2 is lifeless. It might be a barren, rocky world. But even if that's the case, it would still teach us a lot about the conditions needed for life to arise. The search for life on Earth 2 is a search for ourselves. It's a journey of discovery that will change how we view our place in the universe. The discovery of Earth 2 sparks a new era of space exploration. Suddenly, the idea of traveling to another planet doesn't seem so far off. In fact, it becomes our greatest ambition. The challenge, of course, is getting there. Earth 2 is much closer than the stars, but it's still a long way off. It would take our fastest spacecraft years to reach it. We need faster, more efficient spacecraft. We need new technologies to protect astronauts from the dangers of space travel. But with Earth 2 as our destination, the impossible suddenly seems within reach. Imagine the day humans finally set foot on Earth 2. It would be a giant leap for humankind, a moment that would redefine our place in the cosmos. Getting to Earth 2 is only the first step. We also need to figure out how to survive there. The environment is likely to be harsh and unforgiving. We'll need to develop advanced habitats, life support systems, and ways to grow food. It will be the ultimate test of human ingenuity and our ability to adapt to new environments. But the rewards are worth the risks. Imagine building a new home for humanity on Earth 2. Imagine the discoveries we would make and the knowledge we would gain. The colonization of Earth 2 would be a monumental undertaking, a project that would span generations. But it would also be our greatest adventure, a testament to the enduring human spirit. The discovery of Earth 2 ignites our sense of wonder. It reminds us that there's so much more to explore in the universe. It inspires us to push the boundaries of science and technology. With this new goal in sight, we pour resources into space exploration. We develop new propulsion systems, advanced robotics, and innovative ways to sustain life in space. We send probes to distant planets and moons. We build telescopes capable of peering back to the dawn of time. The discovery of Earth 2 is a catalyst, propelling us into a new age of discovery. The universe is vast and mysterious, but we are no longer content to simply observe it from afar. We are ready to explore it, to unravel its secrets, and to secure our future among the stars. The existence of Earth 2 opens up a universe of possibilities. It makes us question our place in the cosmos and the very nature of reality. Are there other Earth-like planets out there? Could there be countless civilizations scattered across the galaxy? Are we connected to them in ways we can't even imagine? These questions challenge our assumptions and force us to expand our understanding of the universe. They remind us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. The discovery of Earth 2 is a humbling experience, but it's also incredibly empowering. It shows us that the universe is full of wonders beyond our wildest dreams. The discovery of Earth 2 is a defining moment in human history. It changes our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It challenges us to confront the big questions and to imagine a future beyond our wildest dreams. We are no longer just citizens of Earth. We are citizens of the cosmos, ready to take our place among the stars. The journey ahead will be challenging and uncertain, but it will also be the most exciting adventure in human history. As we venture out into the cosmos, let us carry with us the lessons we've learned on Earth. Let us strive to be good stewards of our planet and to create a future where all of humanity can thrive. The universe awaits.